So to export any page as a PDF, all you need to do is go, say you've got a nice document, just go File, and always go Save As. This is the way that you need to do it, and then you can just save it as a format and just change it to Adobe PDF, and then rename the file. And then if you've got more than one page, you can just go Range, and you can select like 1 and then -2 if you've got 2 pages, or however many pages, or you can select using 1, 2, 4, or 5 and 6 if you want to skip, for example, page 3. So you can usually do it that way as well. So say for example, we just want to save this. We're going to save it on the desktop. If you want to save the PDF as its highest quality, just use the default or use high quality print. You can also add crop marks for the printer if you go Printer Marks and just go Trim Marks. So that's the way that printers usually request it. And then if you go to bleed, sometimes document bleed settings are 5mm or 3mm depending on the artwork that you've got. But for this one, for example, I've just got 0mm bleed, so I'll just either tick on, tick that. But yeah, by default it'll just be 0. So just go save PDF, and then that should save to the desktop. And there you go. You can see the crop marks are in the corners. If you unselect crop marks, then you'll just export as a single blank page with your text on it. Okay? Let me know if you've got any questions.